In this session, we are going to see about hybrid electric vehicles. First, we will have a look on electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are the vehicles which runs with the help of the electricity or the battery packs. This is the general definition of electric vehicles. And if you are going to hybrid electric vehicle is one of the part of advanced engine technology. Whatever we are using in day-to-day applications, it is a part of advanced engine technologies. In hybrid electric vehicles, they will use internal combustion engines, electric motor, generator, battery. As these four components are the major components, they will use in a combination manner, and they will use for the output purpose. In generally hybrid electric vehicles, there are three types: series hybrid electric vehicle, and then parallel hybrid electric vehicle, and then series parallel hybrid electric vehicle. These are the three things in the hybrid electric vehicle system. So first we will move on to series hybrid electric vehicle. In series hybrid electric vehicle, there are internal combustion engine. With the help of the internal combustion engine, it powers the generator, and then the generator gives the makes charge to the battery pack. In generator, it produces the DC current. For battery, we need a DC current. So with the help of the generator, the battery is getting charged. Due to the battery getting charged, the motor will run. After the motor will run, the shaft rotates. When the shaft is connected to the output spur gear, a rotation wheel, it may be a front wheel or rear wheel. Mostly it will be a front wheel. So due to the rotation, the vehicle will move. This is a general process in series hybrid electric vehicle system. Next, we will move on to parallel hybrid electric vehicle system. In parallel hybrid electric vehicle system, there will be a internal combustion engine as well as a transmission, and then a motor which combines in a transmission system, and both of them will work for the rotation of the shaft, which leads to a movement of the electric vehicle as well. So in the previous series hybrid electrical, we have seen that with the help of the internal combustion engine, the generator is getting charged. After that, the generator getting charged, the charge moves on to the battery, then and from the battery it moves to the motor. Due to the battery charge, the motor will rotates. After the motor rotates, due to the inverter, the motor rotates, and then due to the help of the spur gear or any kind of gear, the wheel will rotate. This is the basic purpose in series. Whereas in parallel, with the help of the transmission system, both will come into picture. Both internal combustion engine as well as the motor will rotates in the movement of the electric vehicle. This is a basic thing. So how the battery is getting charged? Battery is getting charged in parallel hybrid electric vehicle with the help of the regenerative braking system as well as assisted battery charging method. Regenerative braking system is a system which gets an electricity due to the brake which is applied in the wheel. It will have some amount of kinetic energy. That kinetic energy is converted into electricity in the generator. So this kind of electricity is transferred to the battery, so the battery is getting charged. By this way, the battery getting charged in the parallel hybrid electric vehicle. Then the vehicle runs with the help of the motor as well as the IC engine transmission system. And then we will move on to the next one, series parallel hybrid electric vehicle. In this series parallel hybrid electric vehicle, both works together to produce the electric vehicle. Both works together to produce the resultant output. Resultant output is the movement of the automobile or anything. So in this method, the internal combustion engines and also the motor will rotate depending upon the speed requirement and the amount of torque which is required for each and everything. So here the battery is getting charged in both the ways. In both the ways means regenerative braking system and the assisted method. In assisted method, due to some amount of internal combustion engine, due to the internal combustion engine also, the battery is getting charged through the generator. These are also applicable in series parallel system. So these are the three major types. One is series hybrid electric vehicle, Next one is parallel hybrid electric vehicle. Third one is series parallel hybrid electric vehicle. These are the three things which comes under more advanced engine technologies. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.